Alright, this video is all about connecting your pages to your full site editing theme templates. In the last video, we installed a full site editing theme. I will leave a link in the video description. But now when you look at our editor here for full site editing and we check out all of the templates, we got all of these templates. We got a contact, we got an about, click the about, and this is what you get with the full site editing theme, but I have no way of connecting this to my site because it exists as a template right now. So what you want to do is you want to create a page in your WordPress site. Pages, add new, and I'll just call it about. And then over here on the side, the page template. See, this is what we want. We're going to go to the about template, and that's where it should be. Now let's go ahead and publish that. And now I'll view the page. And it inserts that template right into the page. And now I'm going to edit the site again. And this depends on which theme you use, but you're going to have to go into the header and click the about and click the link and edit the link, because the developer used the about page from their site so that you could actually see it, because they couldn't make the page for you. Now I'm going to, there it is right there, the about page. Okay, so now you would have to go through all of these templates, and anywhere there's a link, make sure that the about page is your about page and not something that the developer used as a placeholder. So you save that. It says you want to save the header. Yes. All right, good. So let's go to the site, click on the about, and it went to the page and it loaded the template. So we're good to go there. The next thing that's a little tricky is the blog post page. So if you go to the appearance editor, and I want to view all of the templates. And let's say the blog post, we want to connect that. So this is called the index page, and that puts all of the posts into one page. So let's go ahead and make that page by doing page, add new, and I'll call it posts. And it's tricky because index is not appearing here. So this is how you connect it in the settings. So for the actual blog post page, we're going to publish it. It's a little different than the other one. And we're going to go to settings, reading. Here it is right here, post page. And I just created this. So I'll select it, save it. And now I just need to verify if I go to my posts page, if I go to pages, all pages, here it is here. I can view it and it's putting in the template. Good. This is what the template looked like. This is the one post on my little practice site that was put in there by the starter template. So we don't really have to worry about, just as long as they're appearing there, then we know that it's working. So we got our blog template, and then we could put that up here by editing site. And here's a link to the blog. And then I would view the link and get that posts page. Select it. All right, save it. And now, let's visit our site, click on the blog. It's loading that page, and the page is inserting that template in there. So far, so good. The next thing that's a little tricky is the front page doesn't have a page. So what you would do to edit your front page is fewer steps. You would just go to the editor and you would just edit the template page right here. And WordPress treats the front page a little differently, at least in this theme that I use, this full site editing theme. It just takes this and shows it as the front page. So there's nothing extra for you to do unless the header. You can see right here that it's again pointing to the developer's homepage. So you would fix any links to that, and you would put in the actual domain of your you could put in just the domain of your site and not like home or anything. So that pretty much covers how to connect the templates to the pages themselves. The steps to review are just to create a new page, and then once you create that new page, select the template over here. And then for the blog page, it was a little different, like we were saying. But that's it for this part of the full site editing overview for beginners to get started. I'm going to be doing another few videos on full site editing. This one was just about connecting a page to the template that comes with the theme. And stay tuned for more on the full site editing series.